Well, you know, we've been going out for about, I don't know, a month now. Something. And I was just sort of wondering where you kind of see this relationship going.
Okay.
I know it's difficult for you to talk about, you know, because you're a bloke. I don't want any guarantees or anything like that, because I know it wouldn't be fair. I suppose I want to know what your intentions are.
Well, obviously, you know, basically, I want to see your tits. That's my intentions towards you. I want to see your tits.
Right. Okay, so the compulsion for you in this relationship is purely, well, physical at this stage. Well, actually, no, that's fine. That's actually very, very healthy, and I'd be extremely worried if it wasn't like that. But it's not just about my body, though, is it? It's not like the whole thing.
Oh, no, it's not. It isn't that. You know, it's not that I want your body.
All right, it's more than that.
Well, no, it's less than that. I just want to see your tits.
So, there's no sort of emotional involvement at all. You don't really want a proper relationship. No commitment, long-term, so it's not on your agenda.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know, I mean, I've got no problem with eventually getting married, having kids and all that.
Right, well, it's all right then.
But not with you. I just want to see you.
Would you stop saying that? God. Look, if that's all you want, I mean, what's all this been about?
What do you mean?
Well, you know, lunch, dinner, flowers, little gifts. I mean, what am I supposed to think? What are you doing it for?
You have to. Otherwise, you never get to see any tits at all. Oh, God, you're so gorgeous. There's no one else like you know that? You know, you're the only girl I fancy at work, and I mean that. It's true. But not just a lust thing. You know, I feel you're really different. You're really special. I can talk to you. I've been thinking, maybe I could put in a good word for you at work. You know, you deserve to be promoted. You really do. But right now, I just want to make mad, passionate love to you. I want to kiss every inch of your body. I want to bite your bum.
I'm just gonna go and put something in.
Oh, yeah, of course. Be quick though, baby. Yeah. What are you doing? Hello.
Earplugs, so I don't have to listen to your bullshit.
I'm going to go in and get some pipe cleaners and an Easter egg.
No. I've got to use the toilet. Sophie, I've got to use the toilet. Fill it up.
What, me?
Yeah.
No, I don't know how to do it.
What do you mean?
I've never done it before. I don't know how.
I can't believe it. Just grab it, stick it in and squeeze it. All right?
It's dripping. Is that normal?
Yeah, sure.
You do. I think it might spill. It might have spilled a bit.